Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now,
Out of 7 days, 4 days I'm shooting, and I'm shooting with a lot of makeup on and in every kind of weather. My skin tends to dry out a lot of times, so it's very important for me to keep the skin hydrated. So today I'm going to share some of my tips.
so let's get started.
Drink it up. Sipping water all through the day will keep the skin moisturized, keeping it fresh. So make sure to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Moisturize your skin. Keep your skin hydrated to avoid dull and tired looking face and to keep problems like chapping, dryness and premature aging at bay. Don't skip the scalp. Make sure to hair oil the scalp. Opt for moisturizing coconut, olive or almond oil and massage the scalp well. Use a DIY mask. Once a week, get yourself indulged in a DIY mask that will boost skin's hydration and glow. Whip up with some natural ingredients like the one I'm using has honey, curd and besan. It is easy on the pocket and safe for the skin. Face massage. Once in a while, it's good to indulge in a facial massage with high-fat oils like coconut, olive, or even almond oil. It boosts the blood circulation and nourishes the skin deeply. Shower smartly. Also, for the longest time, I've used a soap, but believe me, they really dry out your skin. So instead, use a moisturizing body wash. Refresh with a mist. Keep a hydrating mist handy so that you can spray it to rejuvenate the skin on the go, because wherever you are, the AC, sun or dust can drop the skin of moisture. Using a sheet mask before bedtime. Now sheet masks are extremely hydrating, but using one right before bedtime is even more beneficial in terms of amping up the hydration level.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you super soon. Take care. Bye.